We are buying supplies for the 4-day boat ride at the market. We got a bunch of fruits and vegetables. I got some peanuts. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, liquor.
Cruise.
Huh?
Should we like try? I think it's like less busy.
Okay, so we found a place to park the car overnight. It's 10 souls a night. My car.
That kid is already trying to steal it.
Yeah. Okay, we're here at the boat dock and we found our cargo boat. We got our supplies, very important, liquor, beer, toilet paper, must need on a boat. But yeah, I think this one's it right here, Eduardo 6. It's insane. It's fully packed. And these are our, where we're sleeping. Our 2 hammocks for the next 4 days. Excited?
It's gonna be epic, dude.
It's a fucking adventure. We're gonna go down the Amazon, see over here. Hola. We're gonna go that way for 4 days, 3 nights. It's what, Tuesday?
Today's Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Actually, we'll probably be there Friday, actually. So yeah, not bad, not bad. It's crazy. There's so much smoke. And then on top of that, fucking the boat was still tied onto another boat. It ripped it off. Yeah. Estaba amarrado acá.
Mas esse é louco, sim.
Sí.
Quebrou, filha da puta. Porque isso poderia ter pulado, matava alguma pessoa.
Sí, no.
Claro.
Oh shit. What's up? What the fuck, dude? What's here? Dude, come on, get over here. And we are taking off. I'm drinking. cargo ship to Iquitos. Alcohol, chicken, Karen, Amazon River, sunset. Life's good. Life's fucking good.
Super good.
Look at fucking that. Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. ¿Verdad?
Es lindo, ¿no?
Es lindo, ¿no?
Muy lindo.
Look at that sunset.
Tus amigas las gallinas.
¿Vives aquí? Alright then, so it's very dark, can't see shit, and we are on the Amazon. Sunrise. It's breakfast time. Finally, some food. We have, I don't know what that is. We have bread and, most importantly, we have beer.
Necessary beer.
Okay, the truth about cargo boat living on the Amazon is these are your bathrooms and shower. Also, that's the water you wash your dishes with. Offloading cargo. We've been doing this for a while. To little towns on the Amazon, and it's so hot. It's hot. It's so hot. Kidding, guys? He's passed out. Yeah. How you doing? So hot, dude. Boat meal, lunch. It's lunchtime here on the boat, and chicken stew with banana, passed out. Yeah, this is definitely a trip to remember. For sure, but look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Does not get any better than that. About to sleep on the hammock, but look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. There's a thunderstorm over there.